In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail or Google account phone number easily. This is a quick and straightforward process that takes just about 5 minutes. So whether you're updating your contact information or switching to a new number, I've got you covered. Alright, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to your Google account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your account homepage, where you can manage various aspects of your Google settings. Next, what you're going to do is look for the section labeled Personal Info. This is where Google keeps all your personal details, such as your name, birthday, and contact information. Click on Personal Info to proceed. Once you are inside the Personal Info section, you'll notice a sub-menu on the left-hand side. This menu helps you navigate through different settings quickly. From this menu, you want to click on Contact Info. As the name suggests, this is where Google stores your email addresses and phone numbers. Now, here's where it gets very specific. In the Contact Info section, look for the phone option. Clicking on this brings you to a new page where you can manage phone numbers associated with your Google account. You will see your current phone number listed here. If you need to update it, you can proceed to the next step. Beside your phone number, you should find an option to edit. Click on this and you'll be able to input your new phone number. Google might ask you to verify your new number through a text message or a phone call. This is a security measure to confirm that the number does indeed belong to you. Once you receive the verification code, enter it into the designated field. When you've successfully verified your new number, Google will update your account settings. Your old number will be removed and the new one will take its place, and voila, you've just changed your Gmail or Google account phone number. This update will help you keep your account secure and ensure you receive important notifications from Google. To recap, all you need to do is go to your Google account, navigate to Personal Info, select Contact Info, and then update your phone number. Always remember to verify your new number to complete the process. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Have a great day.